Your runners.
11 กิโลเมตรพวกเขากำลังจะเข้ามาที่ใส่แล้วกำลังเตรียมพร้อมเนาะกองทัพกองเชียร์เตรียมพร้อมเลย
Please cheer out for another round of encouragement for more runners. 962, 642. Ladies and gentlemen, the 1 kilometer runners is just under 200 meters away coming in. Please prepare to give a cheer to welcome them for encouragement.
เตรียมพร้อมส่งเตรียมพร้อมเชียร์กับผู้ขับขี่น้ำหอม
Please give a round of applause for the other 10 kilometer runners. A lady from Brazil is also here.
ที่มาจากประเทศบราซิลมันจะมีงานของมันนะ
Of course, we got a young, small runner coming in to the finishing line for 7 kilometers.
ทางนี้ตัวจิ๋วของเราก็มาอีกแล้ว
Of course, another young runner, 764, coming all the way.
That's the first one on page. Yeah, that.
เตรียมพร้อม11 กิโลเมตรใกล้จะมาหมดแล้ว
The 21 kilometer runner is just about to arrive for the first place.
กองทัพกองเชียร์เตรียมพร้อมแล้วกองทัพกองเชียร์
Everyone, please get ready to cheer for welcoming the 21K runners.
เช็คสแกนเด้อเช็คสแกนเด้อเช็คสแกนเด้อ
Coming in, the first place for 21 kilometers, number 99. We have the first gentleman for 21 kilometers category, number 99. And then coming up, we got some runners 397 and 633. And we got more runners coming in, 7 kilometers. And also 14 kilometers coming in. Mr. Pukao!
4 กิโลเมตร
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Pukao is also one of the relay runners who ran the 385 kilometers from Vientiane to Lumbabang just for this event as well.
สำหรับนักเล่นที่1ที่2ของ7 กิโลเมตรและ14 กิโลเมตรเขามีพ่นพ่นที่ทางล่างแล้วนะคะว่าจะเปิดวันของเล่นได้จากนาทีหรือว่าจากหลาย
We got more 14 kilometers runners, 494 and 606 coming in. Thank you for finishing up and of course followed by 621.
นักเล่นทุกท่านที่ประสบความสำเร็จ
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to also announce the results for the 7 kilometer runs for male and female has already been posted inside the Palace Museum where the banners are. Please feel free to go and check your results. Following the 7 kilometers, the gentleman from 778.
แฟนก็เข้าเส้นชัยไปแล้วต่อมา
We have more runners for 7 kilometer categories. 931, 1014, 934, and 674. And
สมัครแรงฟรีทำให้140 814
so we got more runners, 1099, 1038, and some more runners from Vientiane, 719, 682. And a big group of ladies and a few gentlemen as well.
คุณยายเลยนะ
Give a round of applause for them to the finishing line.
เสียงเลยเสียงเลยเสียง
Good job, good job. Woo!
Let's welcome 7 kilometers at 851 coming in to the finishing line. followed by 692. And German coming in the 390.
หมดไปแล้วหมดไปแล้วสู้
Give a round of applause and encouragement for the finishing line, please, for 696 and 701.
ๆตามมาด้วย
Five, six, seven, eight.
เขาเนี่ยเข้าไปด้านในเลยเด้อ
เอาสู้ๆ
And the code is 694829, followed by 1068. The gentleman 375, 1076.
เรา
Coming in, please give a round of applause for the lady 685.
ไปค่ะ
Of course, the gentleman 1092, our very own TV run.
สองตามมาด้วยกลุ่มหนึ่งนะ
Group of ladies 384, 371, 647, and 378.
ง่ายก็คือ624
Coming up here for the Lumberman's very own plane 376, 268. Course from the Japanese Embassy is 505 for 14 kilometers. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for coming into the finishing line, ladies. Coming up for the 14 kilometers, ladies 597. Coming in, thank you very much for finishing line.
เข้ามาแล้วนะ
Once again, I'd like to remind all of our runners we have some refreshments for you, some drinks, and of course some food to the right side. Please coming in. And 32, Tina, 32 from Big Ten as well just reached the finishing line in 168. Coming up from 7 kilometers, 716. Group of runners coming in, gentlemen, is 1115. And of course, a group from the EU Council here, the LPDR, coming in all the way from Dayton. Followed by 689, 749. Of course, more 7 kilometer runners coming in. Please be ready to cheer for them. Coming in for the 14 kilometers, 423 coming in. Followed by 598, 14 kilometers. Ladies and gentlemen, may I remind all the runners to please pass through the finishing line and go straight to the refreshment booth, which is on the right side. And coming up is 528 for 14 kilometers, as well as 614 and 1478 for 7 kilometers. Coming in from Japan, 133. Coming in from Japan, 133. That's 133, the 21 kilometers in the men category. 14 kilometers coming in for ladies, 627. 54. And for 71 for 21 kilometer category. 146 for 21 category. And of course for 21 kilometers category 217. Thank you very much for coming to the finish line. Please collect your medals and your certificate as well. Please go straight to the food booth for your refreshment. Coming up 14 kilometers 602 410. Coming for young lady runner coming in for the finishing line. And there you finish. Followed by gentleman 106 And we got a barefoot runner for the 14 kilometer category 523, followed by 580, 573, and 562. Sean from Vientiane will also finish with 14 kilometers. Next up, also 14 kilometers 466. Also 485 from 14 kilometer category. Finally, 17 runners finish. Coming in is like a from Vientiane 484. Coming in the 14 kilometer category. Mr. Edward.
พอแล้ว
Coming up for 21 kilometers 138. Thank you very much for finishing. Please don't forget to collect your medals and your certificate and of course your refreshments at the booth. Coming up with Kawai 636.